from TRINUS Technologies to teach you about digital transformation. It is labeled one of the buzziest buzzwords today. And the thing is, what does it even really mean? There are many different definitions on the internet, and the bottom line is that digital transformation means something different to your company than it does to someone else's, because we are all at different stages in our digital journeys. We at TRINUS came up with a definition that we feel best suits our customers, and it is, I feel like we need a drum roll. Digital transformation is modernizing your business model, products and services, and corporate culture by integrating current digital technologies and tools in an ongoing process. Talk about a mouthful. Let's break it down a little. Let's start with modernizing your business model. What does that mean to you? You may have created your business model some time ago. Think about all that has changed since then. With today's advanced digital technologies, it is an ideal time to take your current business model and give it a good rejuvenation to reflect all the digital changes, because how you made profit years ago versus how you make profit today has evolved. Now your business model can too. Modernizing your products and services. Businesses modernize their products and services by moving to the cloud. They are automating redundant tasks, enhancing cybersecurity, revamping their websites, investing in quality backup and recovery. These are great examples of changes that you can make to modernize your products and services too. It is time to adopt and implement the tools that are out there and available to you. Next is modernizing your corporate culture. The beliefs and behaviors of your business and the interactions between management, employees, customers, or citizens are changing as well. By modernizing your corporate culture, you are opening your arms and inviting the next generation of employees and customers to be involved with your business. I have yet to hear a business say, "Nah, I don't need to expand my customer base." This is your chance. Modernize how you interact to skyrocket your customer satisfaction and retention. Who doesn't want that? By integrating current digital technologies and tools. Okay, this is where we at TRINUS can really help you. The amount of tools available can be overwhelming, and choosing the best for your business can be quite the task. We can help you. We can work together to define your business pain points and offer knowledgeable advice of the best tools to fit your needs. For example, if you are struggling with how to effectively and efficiently equip your employees with the tools required to work remotely, we can help you adopt and implement Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a chat-based workspace that helps team members collaborate and achieve more together. SharePoint and OneDrive are built in, and team members can work on Office documents right within the app. Aside from chats, Microsoft Teams also supports video calls and meetings to let teams meet live, whether on demand or scheduled. The best part is that some of you are already paying for this application with your Microsoft 365 subscription and don't even know that it's available to you. And now for the last part of our description. In an ongoing process. Digital transformation will be a commitment you make with no end date. Your business will change as technology changes. Some businesses think that making one update, such as offering a new tool for customers to make online bookings, means that they have mastered digital transformation. While that is a great starting point, in order to fully transform, it will take more than one new tool. It will take an ongoing commitment to adopt and drive use of the newest digital technologies and tools as they become available to you. That is it. I hope that I was able to shed some light on and increase your understanding of the buzziest buzzword and how it fits in with your buzziness. Ooh, I took that a little far, didn't I? Oh well. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to digital transformation. I am sure that you have questions. If you are ready to learn more, don't wait until the end of my series. Contact the TRINUS account manager today.